fantastique, chef.
A top chef,
Merveille.
at the height of his career, is running out of inspiration.
Qu'est-ce que vous avez mis dans mes assiettes
Cette cuisine n'a plus évolué. C'est un peu préhistorique.
Je n'y arrive pas.
A dreamer who can't get a job
Attends, c'est le 4e restaurant qui te vire ce mois-ci.
has more ideas than he can cook.
C'est servi avec des frites? Et que je te revois plus avec...
In a cutthroat business, competitors will eat your lunch.
Si tu perds une étoile, je vais confier le cargo Lagarde à Cyril.
Hello Alexander, faut que tu viennes manger chez moi. J'ai des mousses de radis phosphorescentes, des entrecôtes effervescentes et des glaçons de poulet de Bresse. Génial.
Je suis cuit.
But the best flavors
Incroyable.
are always unexpected.
Qui a fait ça?
Tu vois le peintre là-bas?
Bonjour. Le peintre?
Together, they have a perfect palette.
C'est du turbo rôti, une sauce tomate olive, au radis daikon, un peu trop grillé, beaucoup trop grillé.
A sharp tongue,
Alexandre, je ne vous laisserai pas gâcher cette côte de bœuf.
and a taste for romance.
Mon gâteau préféré, je t'ai fait un cœur en sucre vanille. En plus, il manque de praline et smilf.
Dans 4 jours, j'ai les critiques au cargo. Ce sont des adeptes de la cuisine moléculaire. Adieu à la 3e étoile.
Je connais quelqu'un.
Réaction chimique normale.
J'ai oublié ce que j'aime le plus, toi et faire la cuisine.
Le chef.
Welcome to the Soul Kitchen, a beloved diner that's not known for its culinary sophistication. The owner's life is a mess. His girlfriend is leaving him.
Yeah, yes.
His brother just got out of jail, and his business is on the ropes. But when the city's best restaurant
Nein! Gaumenrassist! Alles Gaumenrassist!
loses its top chef,
Ich fand dein Essen geil.
Hast du einen Job für mich?
hope will be on the menu.
45 Euro.
Wollen wir das auf die Karte setzen?
Essen. Für die Seele. Soul Kitchen.
Ja, Mann.
Now, with his love life starting to simmer
Das kitzelt ein bisschen.
and his friends and family
Kannst du mir ein bisschen Geld leihen?
turning up the heat,
Gut, Mann. Ganz gut, ne?
he just might find the perfect recipe for success.
Weiter essen.
Was ist das denn?
Aphrodisian.
Ich will, dass du Geschäftsführer vom Soul Kitchen wirst.
Join the feast. Soul Kitchen.
Meet Martha. She's the most celebrated chef in town. But her private life is no party. Her niece doesn't want to stay with her. Her next-door neighbor doesn't amuse her. And her therapist doesn't know what to tell her. But when her French restaurant decides to add a little Italian to the menu, Martha's world is in for some big changes. And no matter how hard she tries, she can't seem to get away from him. Paramount Classics invites you to savor the story of a control freak about to discover
It's wonderful.
But even the most complicated recipe
Celery, basil, cognac
can turn out better if you let someone else stir the pot. It's a little bit sweet. Definitely spicy. But mostly Martha.
Is this what I ordered?
Yes, that is a risotto. It's a special recipe that my brother and I bring from Italy.
But I get a side order of spaghetti with this, right?
Why? She likes starch. I don't know. Come on.
There are no meatballs with the spaghetti?
They were two brothers who came to America bearing Italy's greatest gift.
To eat good food is to be close to God. I'm never sure what that means, but it's true anyway.
They have a talent for cooking.
Wait, cut the table.
Now, all they need
If you give people time, they learn.
This is a restaurant,
not a cooking school.
is a recipe for success.
If we don't receive your payment by the end of the month, we will foreclose.
What do you mean?
Their only hope is a plan.
Louis Prima. Louis Prima? He's a friend of mine. I make a call. He's in town next week. You cook for him. Louis Prima is coming. He's not just some guy. He's famous.
Their only obstacle
Men, boys.
is each other.
My brother sometimes is too,
I have a younger brother. Hate his guts.
Their only chance
How much does that leave?
$62.47.
is a feast.
Say formaggio.
The Samuel Goldwyn Company and Reicher Entertainment invite you to the 4-star party of the year. A sumptuously satisfying movie from first course to last.
Oh my God.
It's good, huh? He likes. Can you believe it?
You'll find the atmosphere is delicious. An appetite-rousing delight.
It's a party, you know? It's a fun.
The service impeccably crafted, wonderfully acted.
I'm happy.
And every course, a labor of love, delectable, warm, funny, and poignant.
Here is tonight. Paradise!
We guarantee you a night you'll never forget.
Bite your teeth into the ass of life.
Big night. Your table is waiting.
Let's eat.
Adam Jones.
Adam Jones.
Adam?
One hoped you were dead.
3 years without a word.
I used to run the best restaurant in Paris.
What happened?
Put everyone down. And now I'm back.
So, not dead.
Apparently not.
I mean, dead these days can mean barbecuing chicken wings on morning television.
I'll never be that dead.
When I was your sous chef at Jean-Luc's, we were like brothers. So when I left, it's only natural that you were hurt. So you took your revenge.
T'as appelé l'inspection sanitaire après avoir lâché des rats dans mon nouveau restaurant.
He scares me. He's a 2-star Michelin chef. He's supposed to be scary. But 2 doesn't seem like many.
To get you 1 Michelin star, you have to be like Luke Skywalker. But if you manage to get 3, you're Yoda.
Oh, what if he's Darth Vader? When I lie awake at night and list my regrets, you're one of them. I say to myself, you're a lesbian. Why did you sleep with Adam Jones?
Michel will be my sous chef.
Michel est à Paris.
Max is in.
Max is in jail.
He's out in 2 days. Also, I found a chef de partie who doesn't know how good she is.
She. Right there, the whole thing falls apart. Because in 3 days, you will dump her, and then she'll leave. With screams and tears.
You can't do this alone. There's strength in needing others, it's not weakness.
Should I be writing this down because I don't have a crayon?
You look good. Do you ever think of me?
What do you want?
Nothing. Are you together?
No, she's just a cook in my kitchen.
Does she know that?
Hey, pretend you're my girlfriend, okay?
If I was your girlfriend, you'd probably hold my arm.
No, if you were my girlfriend, we would have gotten in an argument in the taxi. We wouldn't even be talking. The kitchen's the only place I've ever felt like I belonged.
Let's go!
That's good.
Burned. Rated R. October 30th.
I'm Julia Child. Bon appetit.
Before she changed the world, Julia Child was just an American living in France.
Shouldn't I find something to do?
What is it that you really like to do?
Eat.
And you're so good at it. Look at you. Now,
They're
how
growing
good
in
you are.
front of you.
But what does Julia Child have to do with me, lowly cubicle worker Julie Powell?
So how's your job, Julie?
Are you the person to speak to about my insurance form?
You can speak to me.
Do you have any power?
No.
Heartbreak. So sad. Painful.
Not in a bad way.
I don't know. Do you think I'm lost? Is this lost? If you met me, would you think that woman is lost?
I would think that woman is strangely repetitive.
Did you hear what happened to this one?
Showtime bought my blog for a mini-series.
I could write a blog. I have thoughts.
Write a blog about cooking.
I'm not a real cook like Julia Child.
Julia Child wasn't always Julia Child.
Why don't I go to cooking school? Bonjour!
The Julie/Julia Project. I cook my way through Julia Child's cookbook. 365 days, 524 recipes. I am risking my well-being for a deranged assignment. Is it crazy?
Yes.
You should have seen the way those men looked at me. But then they discovered I was fearless.
Oh, Julia, you make it sound so simple.
Your book is going to change the world.
What if I don't make my deadline? I've wasted a whole year of my life. I used to be thin and now I'm fat.
Just your face.
It's supposed to be a big adventure, but it just turns out to be a lot of meltdowns.
Yeah, there's all of this stuff on the floor.
Oh, never apologize.
From writer-director Nora Ephron.
Good.
That is good, isn't it?
Meryl Streep, Amy Adams.
I was drowning and she pulled me out of the ocean.
Don't get carried away.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Oh, my.
You have no real talent for cooking.
Julie and Julia, based on 2 true stories.
In the south of France, her restaurant had no equal.
Last night, we served this in this restaurant. The cuisine is not an old, tired marriage. It is a passionate affair.
Until one family
Papa, slow down. Stop!
Push!
stirred things up.
I want to buy this restaurant.
Bonjour. This is private property.
Excuse me, do you own this property?
No, no.
Oh, that means you are trespassing too.
100 feet across the street, the restaurant has a Michelin star. The president of France dines there.
Can Mr. President order murga masala cooked the way Hassan cooks?
People here don't eat those things.
They have never tried. Now they shall. We open Saturday night. My son is the best Indian chef in Europe. Raise your hand. Don't feel shy.
Don't raise your hand.
Raise your hand, Hassan. I'm talking to you. Begin. Yay!
Is it a wedding party over there? A funeral. The death of good taste. If your food is anything like your music, I suggest you turn it down.
I will turn the music down, but I will turn the heat up.
You don't know when enough is enough.
Enough of you!
Papa, relax.
What do you mean relax? Spoil the whole game.
The restaurant is her entire life, ever since her husband died.
I can clean my own wall.
The outer wall is not your wall. I know, because I had a clever plan to have it built very high, so nobody could see your restaurant.
Madame Mallory knows in just one mouthful if a chef has the potential to be great.
Madam,
I would like to make you an omelette.
Always up there like a queen or something.
You flatter me.
You seduce his mind with your tasteless sauces.
That is called subtlety of flavor, and that is what he will learn in my kitchen.
Is he as good as I think he is?
He's better.
added some spices.
Why change a recipe that is 200 years old?
Maybe 200 years is long enough.
We are ready, we are young, we have nothing to fear.
I said, I want my steak rare.
Rare enough for you?
You out of your mind?
Yeah. My boss said she'd fire me if I didn't get therapy.
I thought we agreed you weren't going to cook for me anymore. My God, this is so good.
So what are you doing? Reading a recipe, right?
Don't be ridiculous.
Say bye to your Aunt Kate. Bye, Aunt Kate. Bye, Aunt Kate.
I have no idea what to do with a kid, especially one who's lost her mother.
I want you to take a week off.
There has to be someone better suited to this.
I'm Charlotte.
I don't need a babysitter.
Oh, I see you've brought something to read to Zoe.
Rapidly mutating deadly viruses.
I can't get Zoe to eat anything I make. Bon appetit.
What about fish sticks? Kids love them.
I can't believe I'm paying for these suggestions.
Will you please tell me the secret of your saffron sauce?
Who do you think you are?
Nicholas Palmer.
You bring a sous chef from an Italian restaurant?
He said he wanted to work with you.
You're fired.
You take care of those dishes, and I'll take care of these.
You're half as bigger than mine.
Standing next to me.
Why are you so mad at me?
I'm not mad at you.
You're very mad.
This is my kitchen, and I'm not going to let you take it away from me. This is who I am.
No, it's not. It's okay to let people in sometimes.
I know I'm doing everything wrong, but I promise you I'll always be here for you.
Kate, you're not doing everything wrong.
Aren't you cold?
He's late. Then.
I wish there was a cookbook for life.
You know better than anyone. It's the recipes you create yourselves that are the best.
You're leaning on my scarf.
Oh, right, yeah.
Ah, Paris, France. Home of the finest restaurants and the greatest chefs in the world. All my life, I've wanted to be one of them. You may think that's a strange dream for a rat, but I've always believed that with hard work and a little luck, it's only a matter of time before I'm discovered.
Run! Get some happy. Do you know what would happen if anyone knew we had a rat in our kitchen? Go! Take it away from here, garbage boy!
Don't look at me like that! You're the one who was getting fancy with the spices! I need this job. I've lost so many. I don't know how to cook, and now I'm actually talking to a rat as if you... Did you not? You understand me? I can't cook, but you can, right? Look, don't be so modest. You're a rat, for Pete's sake. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? We just need to work out a system so that I do what you want.
Stop that!
Stop what?
Freaking me out!
I want to make things, Dad.
Stay away from the humans. It's dangerous. Now shut up and eat your garbage.
How did you do that?
Just once in a lifetime.
Let's do this thing!
Man knows a moment.
You gotta taste this! You detect that? An oaky nuttiness?
Oh, I'm detecting nuttiness.
We hate to be rude, but we're French.
I have a secret. I have a rat.
You have a rush?
He's toying with my mind, taunting me with that rat.
As though I had wings.
The rat! It's getting away!
Together, we can be the greatest chef in Paris.
Ratatouille?
You're in Paris now, baby. My town. Hey.
madness, huh?
There's carne asada. Check it out.
Wow.
Chef Big Dog up all night cooking.
Shut up and taste this, a mousse douche. Come here. Look at that.
You like it?
Yeah.
We're gonna cook like this.
We're being reviewed by the most important critic in the city.
Now suddenly you're going to be an artist. Well, be an artist on your own time. It's my restaurant.
The kitchen is my domain. That was our deal.
The deal is now changed. Either you stay or you go.
So you're threatening to fire me now?
No, I'm telling you what I'm prepared to do if you don't cook my menu.
It's up. The review's out. His dramatic weight gain can only be explained by the fact that he must be eating all the food sent back to the kitchen.
You didn't like what they wrote about you?
I didn't like it either.
Who cares?
I do, because I could have done better. I should have cooked food that I was gonna cook. There are chefs that cook food that they believe in, and people will try because they're open to a new experience, and they'll end up liking it.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't do it. What are you writing?
Chef, don't. That's not a good idea.
Just listen. I won't send it until we all say it's okay. Why don't you come by again tonight? I got a whole new menu just for you, asshole.
Oh, no.
That's not good.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Don't do it. That's out there now,
This
bro.
happens.
Why would you do that?
You can't take that back.
Dad, did you post anything since last night?
You gotta be kidding me.
Wow. You realize how many people have read this?
You're trending, bro.
You're never going to be happy cooking for someone else.
Food truck's a great idea. We're talking about a white-on-white 88 Chevy Grumman food truck. It's a blank canvas for your dreams. I'm gonna have him pull it around.
Thank you.
Don't thank me till you see it.
So what are you gonna do?
You're gonna laugh.
Tony, Carl's got a taco truck.
For real?
I was so jealous when I heard your voice. I was like, that's what I want to do.
I get to touch people's lives with what I do, and I love it. And I want to share this with you.
What are you doing?
Dude, I'm putting a little cornstarch on my huevos, man. It's too humid down here.
Dad, wake up. Tom's putting cornstarch on his balls.
Want some?
It's like baby powder.
It's nice, right?
Nice.
Gente de zona, una vez más.
Thank you.